After signing up for a PlayStation account, completing the setup is essential to start gaming. Follow these steps to ensure your console is ready for use. Step 1. Connect to the internet. Begin by turning on your PlayStation console and navigating to the settings menu. Select the network option and choose Set up Internet Connection. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network or use a wired connection. Step 2. Update system software. Once connected to the internet, check for any available system software updates. Go to Settings, then System Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure your console has the latest features and security patches. Step 3. Set up user profile. After updating, create or log into your user profile. Navigate to Users and select Create User or Login. Follow the instructions to set up your profile, including choosing a profile picture and entering any necessary information. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. To manage your online experience, go to Settings, then Account Management, and select Privacy Settings. Here, you can customize who can see your online status, friend requests, and other personal information. Step 5. Explore PlayStation Store. Finally, visit the PlayStation Store to browse and download games, apps, and other content. Access the store from the main menu and take some time to explore available titles and any special offers. Now you're all set to enjoy your PlayStation experience. Happy gaming!